Hi, my name's Dana, and I'm a professional organizer and productivity consultant with Simply Placed. One of my favorite things to help clients with is digital organization. Most people in this day and age have massive amounts of photos, videos, and digital files like Word documents and Excel spreadsheets saved up from over the years. Some people use their desktops as a dumping ground, or just download and save files with no custom naming conventions whatsoever. Luckily, searching through digital files is a lot easier than searching through physical files, but poor digital organization habits may still have negative consequences on your productivity, stress levels, and the effectiveness of your time management. Cleaning up your digital files in order to find what you need when you need it, to reference, print, edit, or share something, will not only save you time and frustration, but will also help to reduce stress in general and allow you to focus on the more important tasks that require your attention. I really enjoy consulting with clients and teaching them tips and tricks for healthy digital organization habits and file naming conventions. I love to co-create personalized filing structures with clients based on their specific needs and preferences. The best filing structures, maintenance habits, and naming conventions are all dependent on people's pre-existing habits, thought processes, and mind maps. I love to ask thought-provoking questions in order to figure out the systems that will be most beneficial for how a person's brain is already wired. I also like to teach ways to leverage technology to work in your favor rather than against you when cleaning up and maintaining organization of your digital files. Technology can be an extremely helpful tool in a number of ways, but only when it's utilized properly. The initial efforts of getting all your digital files organized and under control can seem daunting, but I'm here to help. I can help you break large tasks down into manageable chunks, get you on track, keep you motivated, and hold you accountable to finish the project. And I know from personal experience that you will feel so much lighter when you do.